This is a video detailing the Calibration Asset Manager for Cincinnati Precision Instruments. If you do not have a username and password for the Calibration Asset Manager, please let your sales representative or other member of CPI staff know so that they can assist you. The easiest way to reach the Calibration Asset Manager from our homepage at www.cpi1stop.com. Click the Calibration Asset Manager tab at the top of the screen. From here, you'll enter your username and password that you've been provided. Once you're successfully logged in, you should see a menu bar across the top with some options. Under the search option, you have a number of filters that you can use to locate your gauges. The two most commonly used searches are the asset number search, which can be used if you know the exact ID of your tool, or you can also search by due date. So if I select a starting date of October 1st and an ending date of October 31st, I can see all gauges that are due in the month of October. In the results, you'll notice that even though I selected tools due in October, I have some tools here that are past due. This is to give them the most visibility so they receive attention as needed. As I scroll farther down the list, you'll see that I finally get into my October tools. And if you notice this information, we have a calibration report here. This is the latest certificate that has been created for that gauge. And if I click here, this will open up a PDF copy of the long form certificate. I can also drill down on the tool itself for some more information. I can see here that here's the historical calibrations performed on that gauge. These don't have cal reports because they were done before our new software. This is the latest cal report and sticker that was done in July of last year. And if I go to view asset info, I have a little bit more information here. I can see my calibration interval, I can see the last cal and the due date, and some other information if it existed. Under update asset info, I have the ability here to designate a location myself. So if you have tools that you want to update locations or remove locations that no longer exist, you can do that through this panel right here. The other frequently used feature of the Calibration Asset Manager is the ability to create your own recalls. If I come under the Reports option, I have a report here called the Equipment Due. And here for this example, again, I'm just going to select October 1st to October 31st. You also have an option here to filter by location as well if that applies to your company. The report delivery options are important here too because you can have your results displayed in your browser or you can have them exported to an Excel spreadsheet. And you'll see in this spreadsheet that you have all the fields returned from the Calibration Asset Manager in a file that you're able to manipulate. So this has been a very basic overview of the Calibration Asset Manager, but I hope you can see how powerful and beneficial it can be to helping you manage your calibrated gauges with Cincinnati Precision Instruments. Thanks for watching.